Hello friends, so we're going to dive into the 369 manifestation method so that you can understand the energetics and frequency of what Nikola Tesla was explaining by his obsession with the 369 method, because he lived life by these numbers because he believed that they were a portal to the infinite reality, a way to access energies and the unknown, to pretty much manifest whatever you want. Even before he would enter into his house, he would circle his home 3 times before entering. And why this is significant is because Nikola Tesla was one of the greatest minds who have lived here on Earth. Someone who has basically invented electricity. Someone who Albert Einstein pointed out as more intelligent than him himself. So of course, we should be listening to what a genius, innovative scientist, philosopher, and human would be thinking about the universe and how they could access different realities. So we're gonna get into the specifics and exercises that you can use to simplify this method. But just so you know, everything that you know expands your consciousness. And the more you know, the better you get at manifesting, because embodiment is the true way you manifest. Frequency, energy, vibration, the way that you hold your power, the way that you hold who you are, your intentions, get you into that powerful manifestation energy, right? It also helps you just enjoy life more and be more chilled out and be more in flow and be sexier and be more magnetic and all of those things. But I really want you to look at this one concept. So like life begins in 1 cell, right? And then that multiplies into 2, then 2 to 4, then to 8, then to 16, then to 32, then to 64. Yeah, I'm pretty good at mathematics. I can keep going, but I won't. You get it all the way to infinity. But 3, 6, and 9 will show up nowhere in that equation, okay? So while you're calculating the digital root of all these expanding numbers all the way into infinity, you won't see 3, 6, or 9. And that is why Nikola Tesla believed that they represent higher frequency dimension, 369 triangle, and that the other numbers are kind of just basic numbers on our 3-dimensional path, but 369 is part of the universal construct. So how can you use this in your day-to-day action? Well, think of something that you want, but try to make it not as selfish as sometimes manifestation can be. You know, there's a lot of manifestation about manifesting a specific one person, and I want to point out that while I do believe that you can manifest a specific one person, it's only for the highest good of all. So if you're trying to manifest out of desperation or trying to manifest out of murky, like shadow energy, I would really encourage you to look within and ask yourself why you're trying to force things or manipulate things, or where you can trust yourself and believe in yourself more and focus more on your true alignment, on your soul's mission, on your soul's purpose. Because we all came here with the soul's mission and purpose. And when we tap into that energy and call those forces and get into that gravitational force, that's when we become powerful, because we're adding to the consciousness of the collective. And when we're just asking for things that are very like, you know, kind of more material or one kind of ego-driven thing, then we're not really going to help the collective that much, and the universe won't really meet us where we are. But if you really want to get magnetic, you know, turn your desires into collective desires. Think outside the box and learn that you create the reality you have. So, you know, what if you do want that dream job, and right now maybe it's because you want financial stability, or because you want that car, you want that house. Use those desires as part of a bigger collective shift in your thinking, and use it like, oh no, I really do want financial security, because that would allow me to show up with more ease, with more joy. I'll be more present. I will be able to give people more compliments. I'll be able to open more doors for people. I'll be able to maybe buy the stranger behind me in line a coffee sometimes. You know, think of it in that context instead of just you. But then you can get really specific, and you can start to write down your affirmations. So at the top, just put what your dream is. So I get and manifest my dream job. And then in the morning, recite, I am so thankful to have my dream job. And do this 3 times in the morning. 3 times. And then in the afternoon, 6 times, repeat it in excitement, because energy elicits, I am excited to have my dream job. I am excited to have my dream job now. I am excited to have my dream job now. And do it 3 more times, or up until 6. And the most important thing is get into that excitement, because excitement creates energy, and energy creates change. It creates a ripple effect in the universe, and that's what Nikola Tesla is talking about in the 369 method, because he believed that everything was frequency and energy, because everything is frequency and energy. Some of you might know me from Instagram because of my affirmation videos and my energy healings, and I'm basically changing the frequency with my frequency, which is love, my frequency, which is togetherness, my frequency, which is light. And I have to do a lot of daily work to stay in that frequency, but it's become pretty natural because my diet is super clean, because my intentions are pure, because I've gone through so much darkness, and I still am becoming, and I'm still learning and growing, and I'm not perfect, that this is not about that, but I know that I'm a good person, and us pure hearts, our pure souls, we're the people who get to manifest all our destinies, because it's not just about our selfish nature. But anyway, back to this. Then in the evening, just come back to the same mantra or affirmation, and just say, express gratitude. I am grateful to have my dream job now. Just like in the morning, we start with gratitude or being in thanks, because being in gratitude and thanks shows the universe that we're open to receiving, that we're open to calling it in. And in the evening, you're going to want to do this 9 times. So I am grateful to have my dream job now. And you can remember, or you can make this your own. It doesn't have to fall in line exactly, but you can do it 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times in the evening, and you can do it for 9 days. And then you can let it go, because part of this is all about trust. Part of this is all about believing. Part of this is all about knowing who we are, and knowing that we're powerful, and knowing that we deserve everything that we're working towards. And that's what the 369 method is all about. It's getting you to that vibration and that belief system that you are worth everything that you desire. You are able to have it. It is yours. Believe in it and work for it. And you know, I talked a little bit about my lifestyle, and maybe you could think a little bit about your lifestyle, you know? Eating clean, meditating, daily yoga, working out. These things raise your vibration. And when you raise your vibration, you call in energies more, you connect with more people, you connect with opportunities, because you become an important player in the universal whole. Because the higher your frequency gets, the more you can add benefits to the world. So if you want to really manifest everything, really look at your daily habits, look at the way you take care of yourself, look at the frequency within you, how you treat your temple, your body, your heaven temple here on earth, and really think about how everything is connected and that everything is yours for the taking. So I hope you got a little bit out of this video. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I cover, maybe universal discussions or topics, but I'm always putting my own flair on everything because I'm an original creator. I've created Creative Life School to have over 80,000 followers between TikTok and Instagram, and now I'm trying to hit this platform up, baby, because I'm all about spreading that knowledge, spreading that truth, spreading those good vibes, and helping you achieve your spiritual, creative, and personal business goals. So if you like that kind of content, subscribe, and remember, everything is a vibe. You're the vibe, your energy will be matched in the universe. What you put out, you get back. So do all the manifestation rituals, take care of yourself, but at the end of the day, believe and take action steps, execute, because a lot of people don't execute what they're after, and that is a really important step in manifestation. Allow the intuitive guidance to come, allow the execution to come, allow yourself to go and get it. Go make those connections, go make those relationships, go make that creative thing that will put you on the map, go make your content stand out. Be fearless, and know that when you do become fearless, you're a magnet for good. So I'll see you soon. I'm Garrett Paknis from Creative Life School. You can get my manifestation course down below and my money course. And you can also check out my music, because I spent years building a music career of dance music, sexiness. It's a little different from the spiritual content, but it'll get you going, baby. So let's get going and let's manifest. All right, I'll see you soon.